links. Hey there, everyone. Because we know that you want to have the advantage and to save time from the get-go, here's a list of proven video advertising tips and tricks that you can apply today. Go for standard length on each platform. The majority of marketers will produce a single version of their video ads for all platforms, but our advice for you is to create variations at different length according to each specific platform. You see, people assume that video ads should last between 20 seconds to 90 seconds, but people react differently to video ads on different platforms. For example, the average length of video ads in Facebook is 55 seconds, but users in the platform are less likely to scroll past video ads that are 18 seconds long, and are much more likely to engage with it as well. So, with that in mind, make an effort to keep your video ad at the following lengths: 20 seconds on social media, under 10 seconds on the display network, and in between 6 seconds or 20 to 35 seconds on YouTube. Create a hook. The best way to avoid ad skipping is by devising a hook for the first 5 to 10 seconds of your video ads. This is because 10 seconds is the average attention span of internet users, after which they are likely to skip on a video ad if they're not hooked. Setting up a hook for the first seconds of your video ad is as simple as offering an immediate reward or element of surprise to hook your viewers, such as teasing a promotion to those that watch the ad until the end, or by addressing your audience's needs right away. Split test your video ads. Now, the best way to know how to optimize your video ads into perfection is by split testing them. Split testing is testing your video ads by splitting them into 2 or more variations, each one differing in visual presentation, target placements, and length. Target each variation at the same time to identically sized segments of the same audience to evaluate which one performs better. Then you can either stick with the one that performed better or repurpose the elements which your target segments reacted the best into a final version of your video ad. Focus on indirect pitches, not sales. Focus your advertising message on telling a story about your product and offers, as well as on the benefits offered by your brand or business. Video ads that focus on value and relevance rather than on making a direct sale tend to perform better and to hit more targets. Make a list of 5 or more benefits that your product, offer, or service will provide to your customers, and then highlight them on your video ads. More so, focus your video ads on telling stories about people using your products or services. Create multi-screen variations of your video ads. Most people on mobile are annoyed by having to switch from a vertical to a horizontal screen when a video comes up, and for them, it is easier to simply skip a video if they know beforehand that they will be forced to do so. That is why you should always create a vertical hold version of your video ad that you can use to target your mobile targets. And that is just one example, as you have to consider the variety of devices and screens that you want your video ads to appear on. Now, you have to not only consider the size of your videos, but also how video assets such as your brand's logo will adapt to different screens. And a very good way to forecast where your video ads will be served the most is by knowing your target audience. That's right. You will know what devices besides desktop to target by knowing your target audience first. For example, targets aged 35 to 54 spend more time on tablets than their younger counterparts, who spend most of the time on their smartphones. So what type of screens you will be serving your video ads on will largely depend on which age bracket you will be targeting as well. Be interactive. One of the smartest, simplest ways to generate conversions besides having an awesome video ad is to add interactive elements to your video ads. A simple call to action or a website link will do the trick most of the time, but you have to be careful to add the right call to action message to let your potential customers know what action to take after what. We are glad that you've just signed up to learn the skills that will allow you to totally dominate one of the best performing advertising channels of the modern internet era. Because in this video training, we are going to teach you how to crush it with video ads. In this updated training, you will be learning what makes video ads the top performing advertising strategy today, and how you can dominate it like a pro from start to finish, step by step. In this first section of our training, the Video Ad Basics section, We're going to tell you all about video ads and the reasons why you should join the video advertising money-making machine. The contents in this section include: what is video marketing all about? What are video ads? How can video ads help your business? Shocking video advertising facts to consider. So allow us to grab you by the hand and be your guide while we discuss the basics. What is video marketing all about? Video marketing is, in its most bare-bones sense, the use of video to deliver online marketing campaigns. But because you can integrate video into so many stages of an online marketing campaign, it is better to define video marketing as a clever marketing strategy that integrates engaging and relevant video content into online marketing campaigns. In other words, video marketing can either be a marketing strategy in itself or a complementary strategy in any multimedia online marketing campaign. Video marketing is a very straightforward process when looked at from the surface level. As a marketer, brand, or business, you are in charge of creating or outsourcing the creation of videos to promote your name, your products, your services, your websites, or your retail locations. Your goal is to engage and convert your target audience into customers with video content. But video marketing is a very data-driven online marketing strategy that requires you to do a lot of behind-the-scenes work before you launch your first successful video marketing campaign. In fact, the majority of most marketers' first video marketing campaigns are not created with the intention of driving lots of sales. Instead, their goal is to track interactions and engagement metrics that can help them to create truly profitable video marketing campaigns. Yet, video marketing is not always used to drive direct sales. A lot of times, video marketing campaigns are designed to create brand awareness or to generate traffic to a website, which are objectives that will generate sales or revenue later on. To sum it all up, video marketing is an online marketing strategy that can be used to generate traffic, to capture leads, and to drive direct sales, depending on what monetization method you integrate with your video marketing campaigns. But please understand this. Video marketing relies mostly on organic channels and word of mouth to spread, and you will need to be persistent, patient, and network savvy to make it work. So, what if you wanted faster results? What if you wanted to try a more direct, more aggressive form of video marketing? What if you didn't want to create marketing videos, but you would rather use other people's videos to promote your stuff like you would on a blog? The answer is in our next video. We'll show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate video ads in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos organized into 4 sections. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Section 1. Video Ad Basics. In videos 1 through 4, we'll talk about what is video marketing all about. What are video ads? How can video ads help your business? Shocking video advertising facts to consider. Section 2. Video ads step by step. In videos 5 through 10, we'll talk about finding the right tool to create your video, getting started with YouTube advertising, creating a basic video ad campaign on YouTube, using AdWords for video, setting up an in-stream ad, setting up an in-display ad. Section 3. Advanced Video Ad Strategies. In videos 11 through 16, we'll talk about creating a brand awareness campaign, creating a video ad on Facebook, creating a video remarketing campaign, other video advertising platforms to consider, optimizing your video ads, and video advertising tips and tricks. Section 4. Additional tips to consider. In videos 17 through 20, we'll talk about do's and don'ts, premium tools and services to consider, shocking case studies, and frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of video ads on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.